Welcome to the Bitcoin Crypto Daily News podcast for April 4th, 2026. It's a quiet Friday in the crypto markets, but under the surface, there's no shortage of important movements and signals you need to know about. Will Bitcoin maintain its fragile support, and are altcoins about to lead the next wave? Let's dive into the top 3 stories shaping today's crypto landscape. First, Bitcoin is holding a tight range, sitting just above $66,000 as the long holiday weekend closes major sources of demand. With CME futures and spot ETF markets on pause, institutional buyers are largely sidelined, leaving Bitcoin exposed to greater volatility. Large holders have begun selling, and overall demand has turned negative despite recent ETF inflows. Watch the $65,000 support level closely. Traders warn that if upcoming U.S. inflation data undermines rate cut hopes, this floor could get even shakier. Second, altcoins are quietly outperforming amid this choppy behavior. Coins like ALGO and Render posted double-digit gains on lower liquidity, and indexes tracking DeFi and computing tokens are up over 1%, beating Bitcoin's flat performance. Still, market data shows derivatives traders are increasingly betting on downside for majors like Solana, Tron, and Bitcoin Cash, as funding rates lean negative and puts trade at higher premiums. For investors, it might be tempting to chase altcoin rallies, but beware of thin liquidity and a macro market that's still trending down. Third, a major move on the Ethereum front. The Ethereum Foundation has now staked nearly 70,000 ETH, worth about $143 million, hitting its long-stated target. By staking instead of selling, the foundation generates millions in annual rewards to fund research and grants, all while keeping its massive ETH treasury productive. For those holding Ether, this signals a long-term commitment to network security and less sell pressure from a key player. However, ETH itself is trading down about 4% this week, just above $2,050. Quick recap. Bitcoin is exposed as institutional flows pause, selective altcoins are seeing speculative gains, and Ethereum's foundation is doubling down on network security through staking. For more quick updates and deeper dives every day, subscribe now and visit our blog linked in the show notes. Stay tuned for tomorrow's essential crypto news.